Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. Yes. Have a first bite. Oh, so there's something left.
Wait.
Anyway, they.
You must say so.
Guys, it's to share keep vlog, stay tuned.
We're Sunday morning.
Hello.
Fearing my room this morning. It's not?
Yes.
No, wait.
Like haya awuqali ukudla ungashuthanga nevidiyo engashawanga awuqali nje ukudla funa mangase kuthiwa usushawa isiyezi njalo singamane singazi yabona nje
Mase ushawa yini?
balinde ukudla kodwa fanele umana ekazini uyenzela ngoba nakhe mdala kodwa-ke
Guys, I know when you're lambing, I'll show some. I got the gun. What's up, Billy? I think there's more pros that are coming. I'm not. It's more technical for Baba. I'm not. You do the show is yes.
Should I go to lesson? Should I go to lesson? About
Khona umalume waseGoli. Umalume waseGoli uphethe camera. Khona nondaba.
Yeah.
Baba na babek bingelet. Baba, na babek bingelet la batayet. No, account guys, sibuyile. Someone is still asking if the account yethu sayihekwanga yini. Sibuyile guys. Yabuya last week. Suganiwe wena malume.
Ngithathile lento ngasuka la. Bekusakhona ngazamanga ngathi la.
Sasa phaka ama.
Uphamisa nje ikhanda.
Wena usulelani?
Uphamisa nje ikhanda. Bekusakhona. Usulela madoda lawo.
Ama prawns.
I'm just dwelling. Ngiyazi ukuyiphela
Usithabile uthi malume waseGoli nami ngiseGoli.
ngiseThekwini.
Igama le restaurant it's Prawn Star.
Hawu. Emnandi le nto manje. Yini?
Ma prawns.
No, but the menu yini?
No, it's the prawn martini.
How 140?
Yes.
How 140?
With the black cap is uncomfortable. With the black cap, okay.
Not bad.
Is there someone with the black cap?
Hawu, so memeza khona akukho umuntu ubhuzi ukhona. Mara it's wa right.
Bengisa check.
Nansi cost when sushi.
Oh, nidakwa ngishiya icoleslaw. Ubani lo?
Imnandi na yisi.
When you taste it. Uzosimnandi uzobuza.
Hayi phone.
Ngizosimnandi phe imali yami.
Kwanje uzothola iPhone 17. Uthola iPhone 17.
Madabusana. Basebenza badabusana.
Sasa ngesiphethe amafoni kwanto yena.
Lapho mina angiphethe Nkosi yami. Hayi sasa vele bemakubhanga.
Yeke lo gama ulithole phi?
Hayi.
Hayi. Na, ngicela flash.
Okudliwe isikhonyane.
Thola ukubuza nihlalaphi?
Indiyo wena kwanduku.
Hlala eThekwini. In Durban.
Running over in good measure.
Kuthiwa kwahamba kanjani kwi-weight loss kama?
Guys, ukuthula angizwani nawo. Wahamba kahle kakhulu. Ngangifuna engane lapho losing about 5 kg so ngisa right lapho. Thank you.
Akasada yethu yabo senza ama-prawns la.
Hayi, but my prawns are healthy. Prawns are healthy.
Senza ama-fried prawns.
Prawns are healthy.
How is it?
Awukhabi yo.
Hayi.
Emnandi kuse ngiyishere nami.
Ngizishere nathi ngoba nakho.
Two pirates idliwa thina ama-fans e-Chiefs. Naye fan ye-Pirates. Two pirates idliwa. Two pirates idliwa.
Washo njalo hayi kodizamile Paris.
Ukuthi kwazi ukukhamba from 3 down.
Yeah.
Okwazi 3-3.
Hayi izamile.
So I wonder how do you feel in Pirates?
Mina I'm a Kaizer Chiefs supporter, but Paris makes me support. Paris iyadlala. Sesingayifela nje umona but Paris iyadlala. So it was hard luck, shame. Here's the food for us.
Ukudla kwamahlengi konke lokho. Ukudla kwamahle konke lokho.
Fanele sengibukelwe yazo. This fish looks so good.
Two mama guys, red diet.
Guys, ngisho ukuthi mina fanele ngihambe ngilambe. I'll have fish and prawns. Yeah. There's your seafood.
So was what to babu nani. Yes, but it was what nice seafood.
Thank you. Saka?
Yo, masengi phambi kwami.
Oh, guys.
Batay.
It's us boil.
Batay. Mekani.
Yeah. No, phela manje ngasuthu
Amahle kuba Instagram. Amahle omuhle ku Instagram.
guys. Whoever moves right now is gonna pay the bill. Whoever moves right now is gonna pay the bill. Whoever moves is gonna pay the bill.
Boy guys, bafreezile kuthiwa onyaka zayo uzokhokha ibill. Abasafreezile.
We'll pay the bill.
Abasafreezile.
Whoever moves will pay the bill.
Tuya move nje umama.
Mama is
Umama uyanyakaza.
Whoever moves is paying the bill.
Tukwande ufuna ukuhleka.
Whoever moves is paying the bill.
Wonke umuntu shuba bakhona ufreezile.
Okay, sengizohlekisa-ke manje-ke sengizobahlekisa. Amahle mangibhange kuzobhora. Amahle is paying the bill.
Mahlilela khonke.
Thank you.
Nayi kuhlekisile nje.
Amahle is paying the bill. Thank you, Gogo. The bill is on you. The bill is on you. The bill is on you.
Oh, you prawn pasta then, You know what did?
Yeah.
You only pasta.
I'm a prawn fried.
Oh, the lemon
Lemon
fries.
lemon fries.
Oh, good. What did?
Mafaiza makhona.
Hayi-ke guys, ibhili yethu sesiyazi ukuthi izosekhishwa ubani.
Nangu sisi wekhaleleka fit wena uzikhokhela usisi.
Yebo sisi loya.
Yebo. Sisi wekhet.
Ayibona uthi just because she has to pay the bill someone take a KFC. Usubhodile sisukudla.
Bathi imali ibill mhlawumbe khona ufuna ukukhokhela ufuna ukukusiza nje.
Ngeke sibe ngaphezu kwa-2K.
Ngeke zibe ngaphezulu kwa 2000 lot.
Yeah.
Ngeke ibe ngaphezulu kwa 2000.
Selling them a drink.
Funa ukuyeza le. Amabhega labo baba order amabhega. La.
Ngifuna ukuthi mina ngoba batayethu bazongijaje kababa.
Why? Kala do kuza ne? Actually, but ngiyantanda guys.
Siyamthanda nathi. Can you start eating now?
Sebeyadla manje.
Baba yini?
Siyabuya. Mase kumele kukhokhwe nje
Mase kumele
sibuya.
ukhokho amanzi sonitshengisa sakhokha ibill. Yena unyakazile.
Indawo mama. Ahlalisile.
Bengifuna umuntu easy target. You were the easy target. Because uyathanda ukuhleka.
Não, está bem. Eu como está bem. Ah, está bem.
Okay.
cishe angazalwa-ke nofishi busunyana
So right.
So guys, sambona we out. Goodbye.
Bye, my client. Baba.
ngalekhale esimanje